Right, welcome to our Scratch environment. We have just opened up a fresh, crisp page. There's nothing on it except for a few little elements as we described in our previous part of the video. Here we've got our area where you can actually see your program running. Here are sprites, which we'll talk about later. And in the middle here, we've got the various commands. This is our code that we can use, and again, we'll talk about that later. And this area here, well, that's really your programming space. That's where your program is going to take place. And up the top here, you will see at the moment it's just got some default name, which you can change at any stage. So this first little lesson, we want to show you how quickly you can actually get a program going. So Josh, what can we do?
Okay, so as you'll see in the motion category, you've got this move 10 steps.
So we're going to move our little cat 10 steps forward.
You just think you'd click play and you'll see he doesn't do anything. Well, that's because we don't have a when start clicked function.
Right, so as you'll see, two important things that Josh has mentioned there. The one is this is basically our run or our play button. So in order for our code to happen and execute, the instructions need to be associated with that play button. Now, the other thing you'll notice is Josh has put one line of code here. As we said earlier in our intro, this is a visual programming language. And in fact, it's no different from an actual programming language. In an actual programming language, the only difference is you would write this code out in text form yourself. In Scratch, what makes it so popular is you're basically using these drag and drop and you're clipping pieces of code together. So Joshua has taken two pieces. The one is from motion, which is a movement, and he's taken the second, which is an event, because he wants the event to happen each time the start button is clicked.
So as you'll see now, when we click the play button, the cat will actually move forward, which is quite nice.
Okay, so it's not exciting, super exciting, but that's actually a program. That is a working program. Your little cat has moved forward 10 steps each time you click. So can we amp it up slightly?
Well, we can make the little cat say something. So you just go down to looks and you put say. We'll just make him say hello. So now every time you click, he moves forward and says hello. Okay,
so again, what you'll notice is that Joshua has taken code from different categories. So it's very important that you understand this, and we will talk about it more as we travel through our lessons, that there are different categories. The code has been arranged so it's easy for you to find. So motion code obviously has something to do with our little character. Now, by the way, that character is called a sprite. You'll notice down here is sprite number 1.
Okay, we can also change the move. He doesn't move that much, but let's just say we put it to 20. And now when we start, he'll see he moves quite a bit more.
Okay, so he's now moving quicker, and our little fellow is looking quite enthusiastic. So, Josh, this is actually a working program.
It is.
At this stage, the people should go, yeah, I'm a programmer!
Yeah, you should.
Okay, so if you want, at this point, you can run outside, do a dance, tell the world you're a programmer, because basically you have created a working program. Okay, it's not exciting. It might not make you the millions of dollars you want just yet, but just hold your horse or your cat. Soon, you will be making that money.